Okay, good morning world once again. Here we are. I have a patient who was status post the cow patch procedure. He's about 6 weeks out. I'm showing this here. This is his images that we saw at the time of the surgery. He had injury to the rotator cuff on both sides. And here's our patient. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Dr. Singh.
Just give us a quick rundown on your experience for the surgery.
Sure. I came in, had my surgery on a Tuesday. The following Monday, I returned to work. I'm 6 weeks in now, and I have 100% mobility. I mean, you can see right here.
Is it better now than before surgery?
Yeah, I could only look around about this high, and I had pain with any kind of lifting up of it, this motion. Now I don't have any pain. Like I said, I have 100% mobility. I have no discomfort. Once in a while, I feel a little sore, but it's just from the as it's transitioning. But it feels great, and I would recommend it to anybody because of the fact that I have 2 young kids, and I'm able to play and everything. My whole life didn't change at all.
Fantastic. So guys, this is a classic example of a patient coming in post-operatively with this new patch. It's really a game changer on what we're seeing. Patients are getting better so much faster, back to work within 4 or 5 days. He took pain medication for literally no more than 2 days after his surgery, and already at 6 weeks, without having to undergo any physical therapy,
Correct.
has achieved full range of motion, better function than he did prior to his surgery. Everybody have a great day. Take care.